This is the file of PDF file. I'm going to convert this PDF file into Excel in a simple step. Firstly, you need to go to your browser. Let me go to the Safari browser and type there pdf to excel.com. You can do it without registering anything. Directly you can do it. I went to the website and down there upload the file, which one you want to upload. So I choose the PDF file, and then now it will automatically, it's processing, it's converting the file. Just wait for some second. Now click free download. It's already been converted. Now I'll open the file and show it to you. This is the output of Excel file from the PDF file. It's the same, exactly the same what we converted, fully converted to Excel file in a very easy step.